Hey there, I'm Bill Yost, and I'm a People Analytics Technology Lead at Google. I'm thrilled to be teaching the Human Resources Analytics course together with ELVTR. Today, HR departments are generating more information than ever, but many organizations still lack the capability to turn their data into valuable insights and action. We've created this course to help you master the art of HR data analysis in just 6 weeks and use it to drive the success of your organization. This course was designed for HR professionals who want to learn an additional skill and contribute more value in their role, aspiring HR analytics professionals who want to get an advantage by leveraging analytics, as well as executives and entrepreneurs who want to improve business outcomes through better HR practices. In 12 live lessons, you'll learn to identify key metrics and collect, clean, and prepare relevant data. You will understand the common HR analytics challenges and learn how to efficiently tackle them. We will use Excel and Tableau to analyze real-world data, track attrition, create forecasts, test hypotheses, and build dashboards. I will also teach you to present your findings to stakeholders and give you tips on the ways and formats you can use to communicate the results. With a course-long project we created from scratch, you'll get a chance to practice everything that we've covered in class on your own. By the end of the course, you will build your own reporting dashboard with data analysis and visualization in Tableau. I'll provide my personal feedback and have office hours each week if you still have questions. I'm incredibly excited to be teaching this course, and I can't wait to see you in class.